Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can scan QR codes for Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to put your likes under the video and write your comments. So friends, let us get started with you. And let me start by saying that scanning QR code for Wi-Fi is a very convenient method because this way you don't have to search for the name of the Wi-Fi, enter the password and so on. That is, you will just have to take your iPhone, turn on the scanner, scan a QR code and you will automatically connect to Wi-Fi. So, friends, how to do it? First of all, I recommend you to go to Settings on your iPhone. Here, scroll down a little bit and select Control Center. Then in the Control Center, you'll need to add a scanner shortcut. This is what it looks like to your Control Center. If you haven't added it yet, then find it in the bottom menu and click the green plus sign next to the scanner shortcut. Once you've added your scanner shortcut, you will need to go out and swipe now from the top right side of your screen down. Next, click on that scanner shortcut. And then you can take, for example, someone's phone with a QR code that they'll give you or a QR code scanner, for example, if you're at an establishment. They'll have a printout of the QR code, I think. And in order to do that, when you open the scanner, just point your camera so that it scans a QR code so that the square that you have the QR code in, it will immediately scan it. And you'll see a window here with the name Wi-Fi and ask if you want to connect to it. After that, friends, you will just have to agree to the connection and you will immediately use Wi-Fi. This is how you can easily scan Wi-Fi QR codes on your iPhone. I really hope that this video was useful and helped you friends. Please don't forget to put your likes under the video, write comments and also be sure to subscribe to this channel. Take care.